Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a thing you did to learn another language. You should say, what language have you learned? What did you do? How did it help you to learn the language? And how did you feel about it? I made the decision to learn English, which is not my first language, a few years ago. Even though English is taught in Indian schools, I came to the realization that learning the language from textbooks alone would not help me become fluent, particularly when it came to speaking and listening. I therefore made a significant commitment to improving my English by enrolling in an online spoken English course and making a daily effort to speak the language, even if I made mistakes. With live meetings, vocabulary-building activities, and frequent practice of real-life conversations, the course I enrolled in was interactive. The English Speaking Partner approach, which paired me with another student for daily practice, was the most beneficial thing for me. We would spend 30 minutes each evening discussing a variety of unrelated subjects, such as current events, daily routines, or hobbies. To help me with pronunciation and comprehension, I also started viewing English language films and TV series with subtitles and started listening to English language podcasts. Regularly speaking, listening, and reading all combined to greatly boost my confidence. My speech became more natural as a result of learning to think in English rather than translating from my original tongue. Additionally, I kept a little journal in which I attempted to employ new words in my interactions. I saw significant progress in my vocabulary, sentence organization, and fluency in a matter of months. The advancement inspired me and made me feel quite proud. Being able to converse with individuals from other countries and performing well on tests like the IELTS are just two of the many opportunities that learning English has given me. Most significantly, it has increased my self-assurance during job interviews and public speaking. To sum up, my decision to enroll in that English speaking course and practice regularly was crucial to my language learning process. Although it wasn't always simple, the benefits outweighed the difficulties, and I now feel much more at ease and content when I use English in my day-to-day interactions.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success. And if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.